When we talk about building a nice pair of glutes, people often give you advice that if you want to grow your glutes, you gotta squat, because there's a term for it. We call it the squat booty. On contrary, actually relying on squat itself to grow glutes may be a big mistake, because if we want to have a 3D glutes where your glutes are well developed from different angles, okay, you need to hit the glutes from different angle, because that is the most logical thing to do. So there's another exercise, we call it barbell hip thrust, has been popularized by Dr. Brett Contreras, where people have been doing it a lot, where definitely they can see tremendous amount of gains. Okay, that's why Dr. Brett Contreras talk about trust is a must. But growing glutes from a different angle can give you that 3D shape. Okay, so when we talk about different angles, we need to actually load the glutes or train the glutes from a frontal planes where we do frontal abduction movement. We need to train them in a transverse plane where we have transverse abduction. And we also do something related to rotation, rotary movements. And then those in the sagittal plane, we need to train the glutes by horizontally loading the glutes. And then at the same time, also we have to do vertically loaded in a sagittal plane. So there are 5 big segment of exercise you have to do in order to get a well-rounded or well-developed glutes. So these following exercise give you an idea or give you an example of how this 5 segment works. Barbell back squat or any other squat variation. Step up or any other lunge variation. Barbell hip thrust or any other hip thrust variation. Back extension. Side lying hip raise with a band or without. Repeated abduction with the band, or it can be done with the machine. Standing cable abduction, or can be done with resistant band. Extra range side lying hip abduction can be done with extra resistant bands. Cuff cable hip rotation. Try to include exercise from these 5 big segments if you want to see better results for your glute gains. Try it out and let me know what you think.